In a world where distance and logistics presents constant challenges, there exists a company that specializes in overcoming these hurdles on an epic scale. Hook Autoliners, a leading global provider of vehicle transportation services, orchestrates a symphony of precision and organization to execute mega transports that span the continents. Picture this: cargo worth millions, 10,000 cars, and colossal machines crammed onto a single ship, setting sail on a voyage around the world. This is the grandeur of a mega transport managed by this company. The numbers alone are staggering, reflecting the magnitude of their undertaking. We have all become accustomed to worldwide transportation. We know that supply chains are widely extended across the world, and through containers, sea transportation has completely changed. However, for cars and machines, things are different. This type of transportation requires different efforts to handle. Here is where Autoliner's carriers enters, with ships that were built specifically for this type of transportation. Here is how it works. Transportation has evolved rapidly with the evolution of capitalism and globalization. Regarding the transportation of cars, before 1960, cars were accommodated on traditional twin-deck ships. However, due to increasing sales and production, the process had to change to fulfill expectations. The growth in car production led by European and Asian companies in the mid-60s meant that traditional cargo ships were not able to handle the volume these companies needed. That's where gear bulk carriers entered the scene. Normally used to transport grain, soybeans, or coal, their size made them perfect for handling this type of cargo. Due to all this growth, it wasn't long before large fleet of auto-carrying bulk carriers were built or converted for the trade. In the beginning of 1970s, this adaptation started to present some structural deficiencies due to the weight they carried. Additionally, the time-consuming handling of portable car decks and cleaning holes after discharging bulk cargoes precipitated the end of the era of auto bulk carriers. At the same time, international trades had reached a maximum, making it economically viable to build large car carriers. Instead of being handled by cranes, the cars were to be driven inside the ships via special rams, creating the current form of car transportation. Unlike traditional container ships, the Autoliner ships must be loaded car by car, which represents a big challenge. This foreign giant stretches 200 meters in length and boasts 71,000 square meter cargo area, enough to house 8,500 cars. The loading process begins with meticulous check-ins using sophisticated scanning system. It all starts with over 20 on-site workers who are in charge of driving all the cars onto the ship. Each vehicle is registered, ensuring a secure loading process that will prevent even a single car from falling through the cracks. Each car has a specific parking spot, which is meticulously selected by complex algorithms that take into account all the load and deliveries the ship will have across the world. The cargo area is divided into 14 cargo decks, each configured into loading zones. This strategic organization maximizes space utilization while ensuring free accessibility to loading zones. However, this puzzle-like organization is just the beginning. Each car's placement is recorded down to the smallest detail, a dance of precision and coordination. To put it simply, the idea is that the farther the destination of the cargo, the farther the parking zone from the door. However, the important thing here is that the company has to maximize the use of the space within the ship without restricting the loading zones, which already sounds challenging. On top of that, we need to know that this ship will have multiple destinations and multiple sizes of cargo. As you can see, we have only talked about car loadings. However, this vessel transports not only cars but also trucks, dump trucks, and other big machines. So, taking this into consideration, how is it possible that this type of cargo fits on the ship? The answer lies in the special flexible decks, which basically allows for adjusting the height of the cargo docks to fit big and bulky cargo. All of this is connected by ramps, which allow that no matter the size, if it fits through the entrance door, it will fit on each of the 5 cargo decks designated for big cargo. With all this technology and precision, the vessel can carry a wide range of cars, machinery, and bulky items. As you can imagine, these ships have to travel around the world, making loads and deliveries that are crucial for the functioning of the economy. Over its 28,000 km journey, its route traverses Europe, through the Atlantic Ocean, across the Panama Canal, and over to New Zealand and Australia. The key to the success of this global expedition lies in constant vigilance. The ever-changing weather poses a constant threat. Storms can cause rolling seas that endanger the cargo's stability. Thus, vigilant crew members tirelessly check and tighten lashings, ensuring the safety of the precious cargo. Behind these mega vessels lies a team of dedicated individuals whose roles are as diverse as they are crucial. From the captain navigating the ship to distributors loading the cargo, each member contributes to a seamless orchestration of this remarkable journey. In the engine rooms and control centers, engineers and technical experts monitor the ship's vital systems, ensuring that everything runs smoothly. They keep the ship's engine humming, its power sources functioning, and its navigation systems precise. These unsung crew members ensure that the vessel remains a technological marvel throughout its journey, turning the complex machinery into a harmonious symphony of efficiency. After more than 50 days and different stops across Europe, America, Asia, and Australia, the vessel reaches its destination where finally all the crew starts to unload the ship. As you can see, these enormous vessels play a pivotal role in globalization and the supply chains. Without their capacity and cost-effective transportation, many of the cars that we are used in our day-to-day lives will not be available. This mega transport has changed the way cars and other big machines are transported around the world, reducing the complexity of supply chains while bringing the world ever closer together.